this video lecture, I would be explaining how a problem on Dumpy level can be approached and how we can find solution for a problem. So this is a field book which has been given, and the cross marks in the field book indicate that these values are required to be filled. How we can approach the problem? First we will note that the station 6 is a change point where we will get two values, BS and FS, and several other values are required to be found out, even the reduced level ones. Now one hint that has been given is that total BS is 10.15 and total FS is 9.22, and the first RL is given but the last RL is not given, which we will find out. Now from the table we know that total BS equal to 10.15 and total FS equal to 9.22. So the difference between total BS and total FS is 0.93. And we know that in case of arithmetic check, last RL minus first RL will also give the value 0.93. We know the first RL as 24.65. The first RL is already given, that is 24.65. So last RL minus 24.65 equal to 0.93. We can substitute the value by utilizing this relationship, and so the last RL obtained will be 0.93 plus 24.65 equal to 25.58. So one value we have obtained, that is the last RL, 25.58. Now we require to find out the other values. We will start from the bottom. Suppose the FS of the last station or the last reading of the last station is FS, and so we assume it to be as A, and we consider that the FS of the first change point at station 6 is B. So we also know that the height of collimation at the change point is required to be find out. So if the height of collimation of station 6 is 25.58 plus A, because it is always calculated by adding the reduced level of the last point with the FS or IS. Here FS exists, so 25.58 plus A is the height of collimation at station 6. And we know that by subtracting IS value from height of collimation, we get the reduced level of a particular station. For example, in station 7, we know the IS value and we know the RL, but we don't know the height of collimation. We can easily find out we can find out the height of collimation. How? That is, HC at change point is 25.58 plus A. A is the FS at station 11. We have considered the FS at station 11 to be as A. So RL at station 7 is equal to 25.58 plus A minus 6.13, which is the IS at station 7. Therefore 25.58 plus A minus 6.13 equal to 25.15. 25.15 is the reduced level at station 7. So by utilizing this relationship, we can easily find out that A is equal to 25.15 minus 19.45, that is A is equal to 5.7, and HC at the change point is equal to 25.58 plus 5.7 equal to 31.28. Now we have got the FS value of the 11th station, which is 5.8, and also we have got the height of collimation value at the first change point, that is station 6. Now we will consider the FS value at station 6 to be B. Firstly, there are other blanks which needs to be calculated, that is the station reduced level at station 8 can can also be find out by subtracting 5.95, that is the IS value, from the height of collimation value, that is 31.28 minus 5.95 equal to 25.33. And the IS value at station 10 can also be find out by subtracting the reduced level of station 10 from the height of collimation at the first change point, that is station 6. 31.28 minus 25.48 is equal to 5.80. So we have got the IS value at station 10. So now we will assume that the Fs at station 6 is B, and the height of collimation at the first station is the reduced level of the 6th station plus Fs of the 6th station. So by utilizing this relationship, we can find out the other values. So how we can do it? We can see from this, that is the height of collimation at benchmark is 25.09 plus B, and B is the Fs at station 6. We have assumed that the Fs at station 6 is B. Now RL at station 3 is equal to 25.09 plus B minus IS at station 3, that is 3.50. So therefore 25.09 plus B minus 3.50 equal to 25.02, which is the RL of station 3. So by utilizing this relationship, we can find out that B is equal to 3.43. That is the B is the Fs value at the change point, that is station 6, and HC at BM equal to 25.09 plus 3.43 equal to 28.52. So now we can see that we have got the Fs value at the first change point, that is station 6, that is 3.43, and the height of collimation at the BM or the benchmark is 28.52. We know that the reduced level at the first station is 24.65. So by subtracting reduced level from height of collimation at the first station, we will get the BS value at the first station. Now by subtracting the reduced level of the second station from the height of collimation at the first station, we will get the IS value of the second station, which is 3.68. By subtracting 24.84 from 28.52, we will get 3.68, which is the IS value at station 2. Then the reduced level of station 4 and 5 can be easily calculated by subtracting the IS values of these two stations from the height of collimation. That is 28.52 minus 3.30 equal to 25.22, and 28.52 minus 3.35 equal to 25.17. So the reduced levels have been calculated. Now at the change point, that is in the 6th station, we have already got the Fs value, we have got the height of collimation value, and the reduced level value was already given. Now the BS value can easily be calculated. If we subtract the reduced level of station 6 from the height of collimation value of station 6, we will get the BS value of the first change point, that is station 6. So this is the way of finding the values which are not given in the field book by utilizing this type of relationships. And here we have utilized, or we have applied the collimation method of finding out the values which were not given in the table, or finding out the blank values, because height of collimation or the collimation method is very much useful in finding these type of values, because it involves less calculation, so that we can easily calculate these values. So this is the way of solving this type of problem.